Data Visualization Case Study. Problem Statement. This case study investigates the use of data visualization to analyze the number of journals and publications by the physics departments of 3 esteemed universities A, B, and C. Tasks to perform. The data collected from the departments of the 3 universities is as shown in the tables. The task is to construct bar diagrams and derive insights from the data collected through the data visualization exercise. Attribute data refers to data that can be classified and counted. In this case, it is university code and journal code. Now that you have understood the problem, let us work out the solution. Data visualization allows analysis of data. Effective data visualization enables the analysis of the number of journals used by each campus to disseminate their research work. For frequency distribution tables, and the corresponding bar diagrams are created to visualize the given data. The first frequency distribution table highlights the number of journals used by each campus to disseminate the research work. It is clear from the bar chart that Campus A used the most number of journals to disseminate its research. The second frequency distribution table highlights the total number of publications incorporating all the journals for each university. This bar chart clearly shows that Campus C has the highest number of publications. Though the previous bar chart had revealed that Campus A published the most number of journals, this specific bar chart clearly shows that the number of total papers published by Campus A were fewer than that of Campus C. Let us now examine the third frequency distribution table. The third frequency distribution shown here displays the number of campuses that have publications in each journal and have utilized each journal for dissemination of research. The bar graph reveals that the journals first, second, and fifth have publications from all campuses. Other journals have publications from fewer campuses. Let us now examine the fourth and the last frequency distribution table. This frequency distribution highlights the number of publications in each journal. The bar chart clearly shows that Journal 5th has the highest number of publications. As we have seen in this case study, the 4 frequency distribution tables and respective charts together illustrate that the data chosen for analysis should be based on the issues to be addressed and the insights to be derived. The ultimate goal is to make better informed decisions and understand impact. You have learned that when you integrate statistics and data visualization, it improves exploratory data analysis and enables users to generate significant discoveries.